How to buy Sally token. So this token came under the symbol of A1C. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, and remember this token address is under the base network. Now open your BitKit white folder, as you can see here, guys, and now we'll just log into my wallet first. Now that's what you need to do. Just take the base as a network from here, as you can see. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon and now go back to your wallet and find your token here. So just keep searching until you find it. So this is our token. Click on it and click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure, of course, that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So in a while, you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy A1C token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.